Woo! Sunday, folks. I'm back at it once again. Today I'm out here on the Piney River, one of my favorite rivers in the world. We got Phil out here, we got Brittany, we got Rich down there, we got Brendan and Sean up there up above. They're about to get in. We're about to have an awesome day out here on the river. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. That helps people find my videos. Appreciate you all as always for tuning in. And let's get after it. That's how you drift through a curve right there. That's exactly how you drift through a curve right there. That's exactly it. That's how you do it.
That's how you get it done.
Get out of there, Leaf. Get out of there. You get out of there. You just get.
You just get.
Yo now, get.
You heard what I said, get.
Phil got to, yeah.
You caught them both right here? What you catching them on? Drop shot? He got hung up, or he's, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if he caught a fish or if he's hung up. Looks like he's over there going through it though. I appreciate you. Thank you, little rocky bassy. Yeah, little rock bass. Appreciate you. Greedy guy. Thank you for being the first fish of the day. We'll take you. It's going so slow out here. Yeah. Chill. Calmate. Don't you throw this circle hook at me. That'd be rude. I know it's in your gill, I'm sorry. I'm trying to rotate it up out of there without killing you. You tried to gobble the whole thing up, buddy.
About 8 inches, huh?
Yeah, if I can get this hook out, I'm afraid I'm gonna kill him. Okay.
Swallowed it.
No, it's kind of in the front of his gill. Like, I don't want to tear out his gill.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I don't want to kill you. No, don't shake. Got it out, okay. All right, folks, little rock bass right here. I got him, get him back in though. First fish of the day. Peace out, buddy. It's moving. Something has it. It's moving. All right, I didn't get robbed. All right, it's lunchtime. I'm hungry. Hey, ho. I could have left my rods up. Nah, I couldn't have. That wouldn't have been good. It's interesting. So that's interesting, I guess. How's it going? Doing well. Come here. Come here. No, I got all the leverage, buddy. You gotta come here. No, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Woo, baby. Yeah. All right, folks, you see that. You wanted it. Oh, you were barely hooked, buddy. Thank you. You see him, folks. Look at that. He got on it. Nice little fish right there. Let's measure him out, see how big he is.
Where'd you get him on?
That chub?
Chub?
Yeah, creek chub. Huh? I haven't measured him yet. I'm letting him breathe. Yeah. He's right at 13 and a quarter. All right, let's put him back. Peace out, buddy. Hold your paddle up in the air. Yeah. Oh. That was a fish.
You got it, huh?
Alrighty, fish number 3 in a dangerous spot. Yep, I'm gonna get that out you. Right. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Ah! Right in my burnt finger. It was rude.
Blind him with the mustard.
I don't have any left.
You ate it all.
It's all it. Oh, you got it through your face piece hole? Okay, you good. All right, folks. Fish number 3. I'm in a weird position, so I'm gonna show you this guy, and I'm gonna send him. Yes, I am recording. That's a good thing. Look at him. Fish number 3, little smallmouth.
Wow.
Let's let him go. All right, we're gonna go past this obstacle right here, folks. The camera does not do these rapids justice at any time. Oh, 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 oh. How could you?
Robbed.
Been robbed. Someone please call 911. Yeah, I'm sitting here thinking how many thousands of years will it be before that base is worn away and that topples into the river?
You know, it happens faster than I thought. I've been watching a lot of stuff about that. There was also a period in the Earth's history when it was still Pangea that it rained for 2 million years.
Are you serious?
That's how we got dinosaurs.
You good? You need a couch? A little futon action for you. That came out of a van or something. No, it's a couch. It's a whole couch. Yeah, that's a whole couch. Saw a small one come out for it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Yes. Yeah. This is a catfish. It is. Yep, catfish. You gotta get off quick. No net job for you, buddy. All right, folks. Fish number 4. There's a big old funky cat. Oh, he got himself off. He counts. Sunset is beautiful right here. Ah, fish number 5. Knew you'd be over there. See it. Little bitty rock bass guy. Fish number 5 all day. Appreciate it. What's up, little guy? Alright, that does this one. I'm out of here. I had an awesome time today out here on the Piney River. Did way better than I expected. Especially being that this was probably one of the last summer days we're gonna get out here in the 80 degrees, so I'm glad to have that. Had fun out here with Phil, Sean, Brendan. We had Brittany out here and Rich, so we had a whole gang of people out here. Awesome to have this many people out on the river. It's always fun. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and remember folks, there's a lot of river out there. Catch you on the next.